Solape, ha? Má ṣe o. Ó mà ṣe o, ó mà ṣe fún ọmọ tí ò gbọ́n o. Ó mà ṣe fún ẹ o. Níbi tó ti jókòó, tó ń wá bó ṣe fẹ́ pull ọmọlàkejì ẹ down. Just because àwọn èèyàn gba tiẹ̀, ó ń rí ìṣejù ẹ lọ. Irú ìlara burúkú wo ló ń bẹ ẹja yìí náà? Now you are claiming that Ìyábọ̀ ló pa Mohbad torí royalty. As how now? Okay, let us dissect kìíní. Bàbá Mohbad gan tó jẹ́ èèyàn tó bí Mohbad, ó sì ń jà fún royalty. Báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ pín royalty Mohbad tó máa fi kan àǹtí Ìyábọ̀? God. Wọ́n sọ pé VDM ti ṣeré, ìwọ gan ti sínwín. This is where we are now. I swear to God. Ìyábọ̀ paid Mohbad because of his royalty. As how now? Ṣé Ìyábọ̀ ló bí Mohbad ni? Báwo náà ṣe máa pín tó ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ tó máa kan lè mọ̀ mú? How? Yesterday I did a live video telling you that nǹkan tí VDM sọ yẹn, VDM said, if you look at it very well, wípé tí wọ́n bá kó royalty Mohbad fún Liam, which is ọmọ Mohbad, ó ní tí ọ̀tá Liam bá kú ńkọ́, ó ní so everything belongs to Wunmi. Nǹkan tó fi máa sọ fún yín pé VDM has not lived life. A mother can never buy her son because of money. Mohbad kan ló gbé oyún o, tó bá gbé oyún 9 months wá rí pé ó lè pọ̀. Ó ní so Wunmi can buy Liam and go and be enjoying the royalty. Ẹ wo bí VDM ṣe ronú. Áyán. Ó lọ́pọlọ ju VDM lọ níbi tó dé. All what is paining these people ni pé they don't want kí ọwọ́ Wunmi kó tẹ royalty yẹn because she's just a wife. She doesn't deserve to spend out of her husband's money. But bàbá Mohbad tó ti lò gbà tán, they should give the money to his family. Which family? Obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ VDM, ó máa suffer láyé, ó máa suffer lọ́run. Ẹ̀yin náà lè máa ń pín òbò kiri. You can see a damaged man that feels like women don't deserve anything than kó gbé ẹ sílé kó máa ṣiṣẹ́ àṣefẹ́ ẹ̀kú. The sacrifice that Wunmi had made for Mohbad, Baba Mohbad ò tí make here for Mohbad. There are times that Mohbad will be in trouble, Wunmi ló máa pè. There are times that he'll be crying, Wunmi ló máa encourage it. You people don't see the things that women do in the house. Money, there are sometimes ọkọ mi máa kó àwọn iṣẹ́ kan wá láti ibi iṣẹ́. Tó bá kó dé báyìí, ó máa wò pé ọmọkùnrin ó lè jókòó síbẹ̀ dòru di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì. Má jókòó tì, àmàjọ máa ṣe. Á kàn tọ́ mi sọ́nà nǹkan báyìí ni ó máa ṣe. Àdẹ̀jọ́ máa ṣe, a máa tètè parí ẹ̀. Ṣé ìyá ẹ̀ ló ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn? Mi ò gbowó, mi ò gbà nǹkan kan. Because I want my husband to sleep healthy so that he can go to work tomorrow. I relieve him his stress. VDM jáde lánàá. Ó ní tó bá kó royalty for Wunmi. Why did a man marry a woman? Ṣé ẹ kàn máa rò pé Ọlọ́run irú ayé wo lobìnrin wà yìí náà? Ó ní Liam tí Liam bá kú, automatically gbogbo royalty yẹn it belongs to me. Of course, the Bible said 2 people will come together and they will become one. Go into the Bible. Tí ọkọ bá kú, àwọn nǹkan tọ́kọ bá ní, farmland ni o, this one ni o, it belongs automatically to the wife. So now, why are you changing it all over again? From the beginning, you guys said that women are supposed to be working as well. They are lazy. We started working to provide for ourselves. Which is yours. In the Bible, it said women should give birth and men will eat from the fruit of his labor. The Bible did not differentiate where we have to do 50-50. It's not in the Bible like that. Inú pain ni obìnrin tí máa bímọ, ọkùnrin ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ tó. It's inside the Bible. Now, ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin kò tẹ́ yín lọ́rùn. You still want women to go and work. We started working. Ìyẹn náà, a tún ṣe traditional woman, a tún ṣe career woman. We are doing everything together. Ìyẹn náà tuntun tẹ́yìn lọ́rùn. Ẹ ti sọ pé tọ́kùnrin bá kú tán, kán kú gbogbo nǹkan tó ní, kán kó fún bàbá ẹ̀. Ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló bá build ní àbí ìyàwó ẹ̀? Ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló bá build ní? Do you know what your father is just your father. Ó ti ṣe nǹkan tó lè ṣe fún ẹ láti kékeré. But later in life, tó bá ti lè kúrò nílé àsọmọkùnrin, the person you meet, tẹ́jọ́ jókòó, tẹ́jọ́ ṣe àpérò, wípé báwo la ṣe, the ideas that Wunmi will give this boy, ó ní mò ń sọ fún yín, gbogbo ìgbà tó ń lu Mohbad yẹn, tí gbogbo ara ẹ̀ tó ń ṣá lọ́gbẹ́, kò ní lè sùn lóru now. Who is taking care of him? Kò ní lè wẹ̀, kò ní lè sùn, kò ní lè ṣe nǹkan kan. Wunmi náà ò ní lè sùn mọ́jú. Was it Baba Mohbad that is taking care of him? Taking care of a wound will take like nothing less than 2 weeks for the person to heal right. Eléyìí tún dé, ó tún sọ pé you just don't want women to have anything in this world. Kí ló dé náà? You just don't want women to have anything. Ẹni kan lọ ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n tún ṣiṣẹ́, ẹ tún sọ pé tọkọ ẹ̀ bá kú tán, kó lọ kó gbogbo nǹkan ọkọ ẹ̀, kó kó fún àwọn family, kò deserve anything. Come on. And the woman will be in the relationship 20, 30, 50 years and they will not have anything. Marriage tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n jọ build. Life ọkọ yẹn, a man cannot be a man. Obìnrin ló máa ń múlé dúró now. Tó bá dé láti bí iṣẹ́ kí ló máa jẹ? Do you know how many hours to take a woman to go to the market or go to the mall and buy food stuff and cook? To clean the house, to wash your clothes. Tó bá ti dé, you come to a clean home. You come to a warm meal. Somebody's career has to stop because they want to build yours. And your career man gbàgbé fact here. Every day, unpaid maid, every day. Lẹ́yìn yẹn máa lù ó, ẹ máa bá sùn, ó máa bímọ, in pain in everything. All these things are not paid for. Women are the only people that is working in this life that are not being paid for working. Ọkọ tún kú tán, ẹ tún sọ pé kò deserve anything. Ó yẹ kó lè dànù ní kó lọ máa jẹyà pẹ̀lú ọmọ. Ẹ wo, just imagine. Kí ló dé? Ó ti suffer pẹ̀lú bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ìgbà tó wà ní ayé. Ìgbà tí bọ̀bọ́ tún kú tán, nǹkan tó yẹ kó tún tọ́ sí. Ẹ tún sọ pé kò yẹ kó kó anything fún. Kó tún lọ máa jẹyà. Ṣé kó lọ jìyà kú ni? Torí I don't understand. Wọ́n fẹ́ pa Mohbad torí royalty. Did Naira, okay, ẹni sùúrù. Naira Marley tí ọmọ yẹn ṣiṣẹ́ for years lọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley. Ṣèbí ọ̀gá ẹ̀ ní kí ló dé tí ò sanwó ẹ̀? Ṣẹ́yìn lè gbàrú ẹ̀ gan ni. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ pa. Ìyàwó tó jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe, òun ló fi ń bọ́ ìyàwó ló fi ń bọ́mọ. Mohbad is the breadwinner now. Iṣẹ́ tí Mohbad ń ṣe ni ìyàwó fi ń jẹun, ni ọmọ fi ń jẹun, náà fi ní ilé sórí ara wọn, náà fi rí mọ́tò. Kí ló fẹ́ pa fún? Àwọn tí bọ̀bọ́ yìí ṣiṣẹ́ fún, tọ́hàn kò wọ́ ẹ̀lẹ́ àṣẹyìn ọkùnrin tẹ̀ wá bí ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi analyze kìíní ṣé ẹ lè ṣiṣẹ́ fúnyàn téèyàn bá jẹ yín lówó lásán ẹ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa kọ́ra ni. Mohbad has been working with this record label for years. They did not pay him his royalties. Tó tún jẹ́ pé ó tún gbé wọn dé court. Ẹ̀yin lè ṣiṣẹ́ fún yàn kan má sanwó fún yín. Kó tún gbé wọn dé court. Wọ́n tún sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ settle out of court. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn sọ pé no. Ẹ jẹ́ àfòfin ṣe 3 days later. Tó sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ settle out of court mà ní Mohbad kú. Ó níbi tí kìíní ń lọ. Ó níbi tó ń yí orí everybody sí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún mi kí ni motive tí Wùmí fẹ́ fi pa Mohbad. Tó bá sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ pààyàn wàá tẹ̀ tí mọ nǹkan tó wà ńlẹ̀ wọ́n á tẹ̀ tí kó nǹkan tó wà ńlẹ̀ fún ẹ náà wàá ti rí pé ọwọ́ Mohbad ti tẹ royalty yẹn kó tó di pé ó pa. Royalty wọn mà tí kò lẹ̀ tí òpònú Ṣọlá pé sọ fún wa pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni how. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló bí Wùmí àbò ló bí Mohbad àbò jẹ́ family wọn. How is Ìyábọ̀ Òjó going to gain anything nínú royalty Mohbad? Kò tí ì yé mi. Kí ló fẹ́ pín? Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ pín tó máa pín kan? Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ pín tó máa ẹ wò when these people talk let us use brain to digest it. Solape is right in front of us, manipulating us like this. In got to pay manipulation, both her and VDM. For the first time, nígbà tí Mohbad kú yẹn, earlier, who stood with Wunmi? Only most of you, you don't know what happened to somebody when her husband died. Kí lẹ rò pé ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú mind Wunmi? Wọ́n mà ní lè fi sílẹ̀ for a while. Ó dẹ̀ ní baby lọ́wọ́. Ó máa lose mind ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ṣá. Process of grieving ẹ lọ Google ẹ̀. Ó máa kọ́kọ́ wà ní ìdáyà. Ó máa lose mind ẹ̀. Ó máa hallucinate. Ó máa kò ní yé. Á tún máa pe Mohbad báyìí. Ó tún lè mú fún òkú pe Mohbad pé wo tó bá ti ń bọ̀ bá mi ra nǹkan báyìí wá. Kò tí ì ní understand pé ó ti kú. Who stood with this woman? Torí it's easy for you people that are not grieving to just say Wùmí ló pa, Wùmí ló pa, kí ló dé tí ò fi sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ owó ló fẹ́ sọ. This is not just a family member. It's easier for Baba Mohbad. Téèyàn bá kú fún ẹ wo níní ọlá tí ọkọ ẹ kú, ẹ wo bó ṣe kú, ẹ wo nǹkan tó kú. It's easier for somebody that is not sleeping on the same bed with you to move on or to on camera and be explaining than somebody that you are with. Oh, listen, kankan. Wàá máa rò síbí, wàá máa rò sọ́hùn, wàá máa rò síbí, wàá máa rò sọ́hùn pé irúkú wo ló lè pa? Ṣé wọ́n lè kù ṣàyẹn tó máa jí? Ọjọ́ yẹn ni bàbá wa sọ pé ọjọ́ tí ọmọ ẹ̀ kú tó bẹ́rí ọmọ ẹ̀ kò ṣe nǹkan kan fóun o, kò fóun ní nǹkan kan o, kò fóun ní 500,000 rí. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ wọ́n sọ pé bàbá ló deserve royalty. Kí ni bàbá Mohbad ṣe tó fi deserve royalty? I don't understand men. Tóbìnrin bá sọ pé òun ò marry, òun fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́, òun ò fẹ́ ọkọ, òun ò fẹ́ ọmọ, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa sunkún. She did not want to fulfill God's purpose. Ó ti lò gbà tán ni kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó fẹ́ gbé sílé. Tó bá tún fẹ́ yín tán, ẹ̀yin lẹ tún máa fi lílù bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Tó ẹ bá tún kú tán, wọ́n sọ pé kó má fún ní nǹkan kan. Wetin woman do man? I don't understand. This girl is married to Mohbad. She has a son for him. She lived with him. They were beating them together. Wọ́n tó ń jìyà ni o. In fact, I've not seen àdúrà níbi tádùrà ti ń jẹyà. Wùmí ni mo rí tó ń kóyà fún, tó ń kóyà fọ́kọ ẹ̀. Lójú ọkọ ẹ̀ náà ti ń kóyà fún. Still, no, she doesn't deserve anything just because she's a woman. They believe that women is like aṣọ ọ̀nulẹ̀ tó bá ti lò tọ́jọ́ jù sọnù. Kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi ṣe mọ́. Jù síta kó jù sọnù. That's how they view women. Torí ẹ̀ ni ọmọ àlè yẹn fi ń kígbe wípé in Igbo culture this cannot happen. Kí ló ṣàwọn ọkùnrin iná? Ẹ máa sọ pé women are emotional. You people don't know what you want. You want women, at the same time you don't want to love them and provide for them. How? And you want them to be your slave. Ẹ fẹ́ máa dó wọn. Nǹkan tó program orí yín sí nìyẹn pé women they are just there because kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ dó wọn tẹ́ wá ti dó wọn kẹ́ fi ilẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ ní òpònú láti ọkọ Lizzy tó fi fíìmù pé kóun kọ́ máa ba obìnrin tètè kó máa fún wọn lọ́mọ kóun kọ́ máa múùfù kiri. Ọkọ Fọlá ti kú. If you know you don't have any value to add to that, wọ́n ní òòṣà tó bá lè gbèmí ṣe mí bó ṣe bá mi. O tún lọ fún Fọlá lóyún. O mọ̀ pé ọkọ ẹ ti kú, ó ti bímọ tẹ́lẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tọ́kọ ẹ fi sílẹ̀ lo ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin yìí náà ni ẹ máa sọ pé obìnrin ni gold digger. Ṣé láti ò lọ díìgì gold lọ́dọ̀ Fọlá ni? Ọkọ ọmọ yẹn kú, ó rápálá wọlé torí gbogbo property tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn fi ilẹ̀. Ojókòó tí o bá ń talẹ̀, o bá ń ta gbogbo nǹkan tọ́kọ ẹ ní. O tún mú, o tún fún lọ́mọ sódà kò ní lè fi ẹ́ lẹ̀. Ọ̀sọ́kan òrukàn ló tún kó gbá tó kúrò ń bẹ̀. Kí lè rò kó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn woman yìí tó bá ti fi wọ́n lẹ̀? Olórí burúkú Lizzy tó rò pé òun rí nǹkan ó rò pé òun rí nǹkan kìíní kí lórí ihe láti táyé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́. Kò sí nǹkan ó máa bàjẹ́ fún ẹ ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ní Lizzy. Kí ló dé? Mo ń wo ṣó kan lánàá. Ẹni ẹ sọ pé òkè tó bá yẹ pé nǹkan tó ń bí fídíò mọ́ nú nípa royalty yẹn pé it's not justice for Mohbad. They are fighting for owó Mohbad in sin. Wípé what if they put the money in like his future college fund? Ṣé ti understand? College fund ọmọ yẹn. So that Wunmi will not have access to the money. Mo wá sọ pé kí ọmọ tó dàgbà kí lọmọ máa jẹ. Because sometimes I used to wonder, men will say that báwo ṣe wà yìí o, I'm working for my family. But when it comes to the finances, is woman not part of the family? This is the woman that cook food for you, that cook food for your son. Ọmọ tí gbogbo yín kí gbogbo fẹ́ ṣe DNA, kí ló ń jẹ láti ìgbà tí bàbá ẹ̀ ti kú up till now. Ibo ló ń gbé? Did you people even care to know? You don't want the son to have access to his father's money. Men, you always say, I want to take care of my family. Is this not the family? Why is it a problem when it comes to give women money? How is it a problem? This is his wife, his son. You say you still prefer to give the father of the son money than to give his son and his wife his money that he worked for. I don't know. I want to pay birth rate decline. Looking at what Wunmi is going through, if this woman had just focused on her life, she did not even think about marriage, she did not even think about having a child, is it not better? Because at the end of the day, Bobo sacrifices Doche for what? They don't want her to entitled to have anything in this life. Just imagine. The time the woman who is building Mohbad, raising Mohbad's son, if she had used that time to raise herself, she will not be in this. Because if you look at it, women are always at the receiving end. And yeah, lock up. Just imagine. Full future on Liam. So that women will not have access to it. Who is going to raise who has been raising Liam? And who is going to raise Liam? Koto Dipo Bere school, Abiobres in law school. Do you think school fees alone is what to raise a child? Ta ló máa dáná fún, ta ló máa fún lóúnjẹ, ibo ló máa gbé, báwo ló ṣe transportation, gbogbo ẹ̀ feeding, medical. And you feel like tó bá ṣàtúnṣe school fees kò sí nǹkan kan tó need mọ́. There are bills tó ju school fees lọ náà fi ń tọ́jú ọmọ. ṣé owó ló máa dúró ti ọmọ yẹn fún late night ni? Tí ọmọ bá sick, ṣé owó ló máa tọ́jú ẹ̀ ni? Are you adding all that thing to it? I don't know. I don't understand. The system, the economy is crumbling. It's because of these selfish men. These people are too selfish. They believe that women don't deserve anything. Mo kúrò nílé bàbá mi, mo wá sínú ilé ẹ̀. I left my dreams, my hope and everything. And I start doing maid. I'm the cook, I'm the maid, I'm the house help, I'm the mother, I'm the nurse, I'm the teacher, I'm the everything. Still no, I don't deserve any of your money. I came to steal your money. Do you think it's easy for us as well? Do you think it's easy for women to live their dreams and hope, all because they want to be a wife? And if women are not giving birth anymore, they said they are not doing any marriage. That is it, because you men are too selfish. And Mama said, I'm working for my family. I want to provide. I want to be a responsible man. This is part of the responsibility. You don't want to make things easy for the girl. Ẹ lọ ń kọ lẹ́tà pé kán send owó Mohbad kán lọ fún àbúrò ẹ̀ tó ti wà nílé ọkọ, tó ti bímọ tiẹ̀ sílé ọkọ. Kán fún àwọn bàbá ẹ̀, kán fún gbogbo ẹ̀, kán má fún yàwó àtọmọ tó bí ní anything. Orúkọ Liam ò sínú lẹ́tà tó kọ nípa royalty ẹ̀. Wọ́n kọ orúkọ bàbá Mohbad tó ti lò gbà tán. Kí ni bàbá Mohbad fẹ́ fowó ṣe? Ṣebí tó bá empower Wùmí, á lè tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn náà deserve láti lò lára owó bàbá ẹ̀. Ṣebí bàbá ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ sílẹ̀ fún ni. I don't understand how it's easy for you people to just, ọmọ tí Mohbad bí àti ìyàwó tó fẹ́ kó tó kú, wọn ò tí ìwà entitled sí owó, wọn ò tí gbowó fún. Òpònú Lizzy tún sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́ gbowó. Owó gan tí Mohbad ń go rí, ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ ò rí. Ṣé Ìyábọ̀ ló wá fẹ́ kàn ní? Because I don't understand. This is crazy. If you come here, nonsense, no matter. If you go there, nonsense. Nobody is using brain. Just because they think that it's just about battle. Life happens. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀tá Wùmí gbabẹ̀ yẹn lọ nígbà tó fẹ́ bímọ, tó gbabẹ̀ lọ tọ́mọ wà ní ayé, Mohbad ò ti ní fẹ́yàwó kejì ni. Ṣé Mohbad ò ní fẹ́yàwó kejì? Kò ti ní move on pẹ̀lú life ẹ̀. Ṣé olórí burúkú VDM ló máa jáde pé and the woman sacrificed, and the woman she died when she was getting belle, and the woman we JBN, do you know how many women died in a year because of childbirth? Ṣé máa dúró obìnrin tó ń kú torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ bímọ ṣá? Now there's a new study that is telling women pé tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ bímọ ẹ má gba epidural. Wípé wọn ò ní sọ fún yín the consequence of epidural. Wípé ó dọjọ́ alẹ́, wọ́n ní àwọn obìnrin ò lè rìn mọ́ torí pé wọ́n gba epidural so that it can reduce the pain. Wípé ìbọn tó bá di ọjọ́ alẹ́, your spinal cord will rupture. Ṣé mọ̀ pé bí spinal cord náà ti máa ń fún yàn ní epidural? Ò ní lè rìn mọ́. It will rupture your spinal cord. Ó lè jẹ́ pé àwọn obìnrin míì orí wheelchair náà máa ti lo ọjọ́ alẹ́ wọn, and these stupid men that come and you will come out and be telling us that wá torí owó ẹ̀ ni. A woman that gets pregnant, her body will change for the rest of her life. She will look at herself in the mirror like this and hate her body. Ẹ rò pé lásán làwọn obìnrin lọ máa ń ṣe mommy makeover ni. The stretch mark cannot disappear. There are so many things that pregnancy will bring to your body that you cannot change anymore. Men will do something of 5 minutes. Women will use 9 months, 3 years, 5 years to show what, and at the end of the day, obìnrin yẹn kò deserve anything. Look at it here. Women cannot sleep at night when they are pregnant. The baby literally push. Ewo bá mú yàn níbi orí báyìí. Ó ní lè sùn gbádùn. Kéwo lọ mú ẹ níbi ìdí. Ó máa gàdì rìn báyìí ni. àbí kó mú ẹ lábíyá ó máa gbápá sókè. Why imagine kí odidi size watermelon kó máa grow nínú ẹ, ó máa fún gbogbo organs yẹn pọ̀ báyìí. The sacrifice of a birth tóbìnrin bá bímọ fún ẹ, kò gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ṣe ní ayé ó yẹ kó fi tọ́jú obìnrin yẹn ni. Ṣé kò sínú Kùránì wípé ẹsẹ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀ lórí ilé ẹ̀ wà, àbí báwọn náà ṣe kọ́ síbẹ̀, orókún ìyàwó ẹ̀ ní kinní kan wà. For men, it's inside the Quran. A woman that goes in, do you know the excruciating pain? Only there's nothing that is more painful in this life than childbirth. Only there's nothing more dangerous, more painful in this life compared to childbirth. Obìnrin mi àbí síwín. If you have female daughter, nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí, ó yẹ kó máa wọnú egungun ara ẹni. You have to be careful who you give your daughter to, because some men are not raised by a good woman. Your mama failed VDM. As a single mother that your mama is, that took care of children by herself. Nígbà tí bá bẹ́ẹ̀ dá yín lẹ́ẹ̀lẹ́ lọ́wọ́, kò yẹ kó tún jẹ́wọ́ ló tún mama bring obìnrin kan down. Maybe you see the way your mama suffer on all of you. She failed to raise you as a good man. For you to think that women don't deserve anything. Tó bá yẹ pé ọ̀tá Wùmí kú nígbà tó ń bí Liam ni, ṣé Mohbad ò ní move on, ṣé máa gbájọ́? Ó ti di obìnrin mélòó tẹ́ ẹ̀ wá justice fún. Ọ̀chàyàn kò ní dá sí o. Tó bá ń rape obìnrin, tó bá ń molest obìnrin, bí Bokoli ìná tó sọ pé ó tún ti lọ, ó lọ ṣe sexual assault, ó ń rúfì drinks obìnrin. Just imagine. Protect the oppressor. Wọ́n ní tóbìnrin yẹn, ẹ̀yin náà lẹ wọ miniskirt tó fi ń rape yín. Àwọn tó ń borí nǹkan ṣé wọ́n rape wọn ni. Wọ́n rape doctor ní office, wọ́n rape òkú. It's always one man àbí. Obìnrin tó wà nǹkan máa ń lóyún, báwo ló ṣe lóyún? Ó ń bá obìnrin tó wà nǹkan máa that is literally fighting for her life. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bá sùn mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọmọ ò lè lọ school bus driver máa rape ẹnu mọ́tò. Kí ló dé? Ẹ wo Bokoli, kí ló tún fẹ́ lé ayé? Tó tún lọ fight drink àwọn obìnrin. It's always a man, because they feel like women are just nothing. And this nonsense, they sit down there, wọ́n sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ̀ ní ayé. Wọ́n pa Mohbad torí royalty, owó kíni? Owó tó nǹkan fún ara ẹ̀ ò gbádùn ìgbà tó wà ní ayé, ṣe bó ṣe orí olórí kú ni, orí àwọn Naira Marley kan ló sì ni. Owó yẹn bí tó wà tí Naira Marley kò sí, ẹ mọ̀ pé owó yẹn á ti yield times 2 times 3 fún níbi tó lọ́ọ̀kì owó ọmọ lọ́mọ mọ́. Á ti yield nǹkan tí ò fi kó lẹ̀ nìyẹn náà. Owó yẹn á ti yield times 2 times 3 fún níbi tó kó owó yẹn sí. So he did not lose. Owó yẹn dàbí ilẹ̀ ni. Gbogbo ìgbà tí Mohbad ń ṣiṣẹ́ kò kówó ọmọ lọ́mọ lẹ̀. Ìgbà tí Mohbad wá kú tán, só ti kú for the past 3 years. Wọ́n ò tí kówó yẹn lẹ̀ náà. Ẹ wá imagine kó wá jẹ́ pé ilẹ̀ ló rà pẹ̀lú owó yẹn. Ṣé ilẹ̀ yẹn kò ti ní yield kíni? Owó burúkú fún. So ṣó ní ìdá tí yọ anything kúrò ń bẹ̀. Ó wá sọ, Naira Marley said he's not going to collect anything, though he's supposed to collect something. He's just going to leave the money for them because he knows what he has gained. Mohbad wà ní ayé ń gain látara ọmọ yẹn. Mohbad kú tán tún gain látara ẹ̀. Naira Marley deserve everything that happened to him. He deserve everything that happened to him. You tortured this boy's life. Your life too was torture. Your career náà ó lọ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kí ló dé? We be claiming the government. The people themselves, they are bad. Kí ló dé tó kówó olówó lẹ̀ tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún? Ó ní mo dẹ̀ sọ nínú fídíò tí mo ṣe. Mo ní ẹ gbà pé Mohbad ò bá kú lẹ́ni tó bá jẹ́ pé gbowó yẹn ká ló máa fi tọ́jú. No be him wife and him pikin. Àwọn agbọ̀rọ̀ ọdún wá jáde wọ́n wá sòṣì ọ̀rọ̀. Tí ó bá jẹ́ pé Mohbad wó yẹn gbà ìgbà tó wà ní ayé, ta ló máa fi tọ́jú? Ṣe bí ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà ló máa fi tọ́jú. So why is it a crime tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó belong to ọkọ Wùmí àti bàbá ọmọ ẹ̀ àti wá kó fún is not a problem? Tó lórí burúkú ìwà ń sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ gbowó náà fi lọ pa Mohbad, owó kíni? ìgbà tí Mohbad dẹ̀ ti kú sí tán kò wọlé ṣe Liam ò jẹun. ṣé Liam ò jẹun ni? Kí ló dé náà? What happened? These are the people that destroy this system. Because láyé àwọn bàbá wa, máa sọ pé láyé bàbá wa, láyé àwọn bàbá wa, the woman will be at home. But you people want the woman to go and work and she should still give you the traditional kini. So possible ni. Báwo máa ṣe wà nílé ẹ̀ tí màá máa ṣiṣẹ́? You want her to go and work, kó tún máa provide, ó dẹ̀ tún fẹ́ kó tún máa respect ẹ, kó tún máa dáná. Ṣé robot lẹ pé obìnrin ni? When she can go outside there and work and take care of herself, why did she need to come and be cleaning for you again? Nǹkan tó bá ti ẹ̀yà kóbìnrin lọ ṣiṣẹ́, òun ṣiṣẹ́ òun make owó ẹ̀. Oh, need ọkùnrin for anything. They call men a provider. If a man cannot provide, fakati. Màá máa ṣerú inú ilé ẹ̀ torí pé kí ni? Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n ò ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ sọ pé ayé àwọn bàbá yín, the women were not working. The man provides everything. But these men, they are princesses. They do not want to provide anything. They want to eat their cake and have it. They want a traditional woman and they want a... Ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ pé traditional woman ẹ fẹ́, ẹ̀yin lẹ tún máa lé àwọn career woman káàkiri. They are so confused. Ẹ máa máa da ọkà láàbò kiri. Sometimes I look at, with the way this world is going, do I really want to give my daughter out to any man? I look at it like that. Because what? I got a shovel. Oh, in a real way. I'm telling you. Oh, in a real way. If you try any trash with my daughter, ko jẹ́ kí ìyà jẹ, torí lè bá bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyà ò jẹ. Kó tó fẹ́ ọmọ mi máa ti gbé bounty lé lórí. Màá ní wò. Mo ń sọ ẹni, you will not see it coming. Imagine you raise a child pẹ̀lú gbogbo owó téèyàn ná lórí ọmọ lórí, olórí burúkú kan á máa fìyà jẹ ọmọ. Kí ló dé? This thing is crazy. It's getting crazier. It's getting scarier. Wípé okay, tí ọkọ bá kú o, ọkọ ẹ máa balẹ̀ pé okay, ọmọ mi ṣáà wà níbi tó dáa, á lè tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Because àìjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Do you know what women face out there? Obìnrin fẹ́ lọ bí iṣẹ́ lásán, ọ̀gá máa sọ pé tóun ò bá bá sùn, òun ò lè fún níṣẹ́. Do you know what women face out there? Tó bá tún ṣe, ìwọ tó tún jẹ́ boyfriend, wà ní alágbèrè ni, òun ṣe, ìwọ ló sọ pé kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́, ó débi tó ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, ọ̀gá sọ pé tóun ò bá bá sùn, òun ò ní fún níṣẹ́. Ó bọ́ gàásù kó lè níṣẹ́, tí wọ́n bá délé tó bá gbọ́ wà lálágbèrè ni, tí ó bá bọ́ gàásù tó bá wà nílé, wà ní ọ̀lẹ ni kò lè ṣiṣẹ́, kí lẹ fẹ́ gangan náà? Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ní owó náà, mélòó náà àwọn ọkùnrin náà ló lówó? Gódìgà ní, kíní kan ní, olóṣó ló ń gbé kiri. Nígbà tó ń kówó fún Wùmí ń sìn báyìí, tọ́mọ yẹn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í ṣiṣẹ́ olóṣó, ṣáma blame ẹ̀ ni. Á ṣàjẹun, á dẹ̀ tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀. Tí ọmọ yẹn bá gbégbá olóṣó ń sìn, kí la, á ní ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ kówó fún mi, ìgbà tí ó sì nǹkan tí máa jẹ, mo lọ́mọ kékeré sínú ilé, kí ni mo fẹ́ fún jẹ? Mo dẹ̀ lọ ṣe olóṣó, nǹkan tí bá lè ṣe ni mo máa ṣe náà. I don't understand. We have to be removing women from poverty, not putting them in abject poverty. Our mothers' mothers have gone through this. We should not let this cycle repeat itself because of this lazy son of a bitch. And raise àwọn ọmọkùnrin yín dáadáa, obìnrin is not a slave. When you marry women are responsibility. You have to take care of her so that she will take care of you. Ẹ búlì ẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe sí. Ó ń tajà, ẹ búlì ẹ̀, kò yẹ kán tajà, ṣó yẹ kó lọ máa tajà ń sìn ni, kí ló máa jẹ? Owó tẹ́ ń kígbe lé lórí wọn kó fún. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ sunkún pé ó fẹ́ lọ gbowó, secretly went to court ni, kí lọmọbìnrin máa jẹ? I don't understand. She has a son to take care of. Ẹ tún mú ọmọ yẹn tún roku sí wípé tọmọ yẹn bá lọ kú lẹ́ni owó tó bá kó fún Wùmí ó ti di ti ẹni yẹn. Is the sacrifice she has made for Mohbad all these years. Being with Mohbad is a sacrifice. Cooking for Mohbad is a sacrifice. She deserves everything Mohbad got. She was in the house. Were you there? Ẹ̀yin lẹ ń tọ́jú Mohbad ní tó bá ti ń lù kiri. Tó bá wà paranoid ẹ̀yin lẹ ń tọ́jú, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń dáná fún ni àbí ìyá yín ló ń bá sùn. Tẹ́ fi wá rò pé kò deserve anything. If it's left for these men, women will not have anything in this world. They love to oppress women. They love to make sure women suffer. Imagine VDM is obsessing with making women suffer. Women did not do anything. Baba Mohbad is obsessed with making women suffer. So that they will just be spending money. What if they give the money to Baba Mohbad? Ejo, kí ni owó yẹn fẹ́ dà fún Baba Mohbad at 70 years old? Think. The money should not be given to Liam, but should be given to Baba Mohbad tó ti parí ilé ayé. For what? So that he can spend it. This thing is just getting, it's confusing by the day. Kí ló ṣe yín náà? This stupid girl tó pèrè Solape, a kò máa sọ̀sọ́kúsọ. She's not intelligent now. Ìyábọ̀ ló pa Mohbad torí royalty. Royalty tán tí kò fọ́mọ Mohbad, tán kò fún ìyàwó ẹ̀. Tí náírà ò release. Mohbad ò enjoy ẹ̀ kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì inú ilé wọn tó ṣe enjoy royalty. Kí ló dé? VDM ò dẹ̀ lọ ṣiṣẹ́. You that you have not used your life to make money to become somebody. Tó jẹ́ pé the only money you make in this life, donation ni. Wọ́n dáwó fún ẹni ayé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ to the point that you cannot raise yourself as a man. O kàwé, o níṣẹ́, o ṣe nǹkan kan. O ń tọrọ ni. You are begging, you are a beggar. O ń tọrọ jẹ ni. They should come and donate money for you. Mo pé ní ayé ẹ̀ la wá olórí burúkú ọmọ òfò. Kàn wá donate owó fún òun fẹ́. Ṣé dandan ni foundation ni? Àwọn tó ń ṣe foundation tá a mọ̀, owó ara wọn náà fi ń ṣe foundation. They use their money to do nothing. If you say you want to do foundation, love for where run it. If you don't get money, you never ready. Asha kind àbí kí náà porúkọ ọmọ tó máa lọ sí school tó máa lọ fáwọn èèyàn lówó yẹn. Ṣé bó wà rẹ̀ ló fi rán no foundation. Tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ ayọ̀ lára owó ẹ̀, á fi better life àwọn èèyàn. Olórí burúkú dick activist kò lówó. I am the fourth arm of the government. I am the kini arm of the. You are mad. Orí ẹ̀ burú. Fourth of kini. Fourth of kini. Fourth of àwọn tó ń tọrọ jẹ. Àwọn tí ò ní nǹkan kan lé ayé tó ń dáwó fún. A 33-year-old man cannot say that this is what I have done with my life. Wọ́n dáwó fún ẹ. Káwá máa dáwó fún ẹ. Ká fi máa gbọ́ bùkátà ò mọ̀ pé ilé ayé ẹ̀ la wá. Go and work. Iṣẹ́ ni everybody ń ṣe. Ibi tó ti jókòó sórí ọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí ò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Rádúrú business tọmọ yẹn ń fà. Odidi obìnrin tó ń sọ pé kó má fún ní anything o kàn lè dànù ní o if it is Igbo culture. But you just expose something about Igbo culture nìyẹn. They should chase the woman away. The elders. Which stupid elders? And when elders ló bá wọn yẹn build anything tó ní ni. VDM bíbí tó jókòó sí nìyẹn for the past 3 years ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ló gbé ẹ jáde. What have you done with your life? It's a question. Kí ló ti fi life ẹ̀ dà? Ibi tó jókòó sí nìyẹn tí Wùmí ti ń run ní different businesses. And you have never had anything to do. She wá ń tọrọ jẹ ní 2026. Ó ń tọrọ owó. Gbogbo owó tó dẹ̀ pa nígbà tí Mohbad kò dá nǹkan kan fún ẹ. What a nuisance. Ẹ jẹ́ nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ nígbà yẹn. Let me refresh your brain. This is a throwback of Ìyábọ̀ Òjó's word to VDM. Throwback. wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà tí ò ṣẹ lówùúrọ̀ ó ń bọ̀ wá ṣẹ lọ́jọ́ alẹ́ ni. It hits differently now. Ẹ gbàgbé because nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti achieve láyé VDM tó bá gbé àkàbà àbí kó tó sórí skyscraper kò lè rí because ọmọ tí ò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ni kò ní iṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ ṣe kò fẹ́ fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ẹpọ̀n ló fẹ́ fi máa ṣiṣẹ́ kiri kọkùnrin jíǹjì ayé ẹ̀ kó máa lá ẹpọ̀n ọmọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ torí owó kò ṣe torí pleasure o tọ́lá pé àwọn Bobrisky àwọn yẹn ṣe torí pleasure ni o torí owó leléyìí o eléyìí ò lè ṣiṣẹ́ o donation yìí náà ni please kindly donate the money has gone down nígbà tó ti dánwó tán 4 term of the government tí yóò sówó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn ló ń dáwó fún ṣé àwọn adáwó fún government ni ṣé àwọn adáwó fún ìjọba rí you are collecting our money and at the same time you are using the money to oppress women ó ti ṣe wo ilẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ní tà létí ọmọ aráyé mọ́ kí ló dé watch you bring this woman down bring that woman down bring this one down níbi tó tún ká ẹ lára dé ó tún rokú ń ro ọ̀tá Liam is Wunmi not a human being tó bá sọ pé owó ọkọ ẹ ó yá gbà ọkọ ẹ ṣáà ni nǹkan ọkọ ẹ ìwọ ló ní she deserve it and more because the years of her sacrifice in that boy's house is not a joke. ṣé máníkì ni Wunmi inú ilé yẹn ni gbogbo ìgbà tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ṣe kí ló dé tó fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ kí ló dé tó fi wà nínú ilé yẹn tó ń bá Mohbad ṣe léyìí tó bá ń gbé léyìí tó máa ń ṣe léyìí tó máa ń ṣe léyìí ṣé torí pé kó má bàa jẹun lọ́jọ́ alẹ́ ni when a man comes to your house torí ọjọ́ alẹ́ ló ṣe wá sínú ilé ẹ̀ tó bá wá jọjọ́ alẹ́ ẹ máa lé obìnrin yẹn dànù kò deserve anything kò ṣe nǹkan kan lé ayé yín tó bá mú yín sí dọ́gba yín dànù ẹ máa sọ pé kìdí kan. If you have that mentality that women is nothing, my dear, you come to food every day. Nínú ilé ẹ ò ń bá oúnjẹ. Do you know how many hours it takes to cook? Your favorite meal, she will cook it. The bed will be clean. Your clothes will be washed. Everything will be arranged. Only the she has done it. Only the she has done it. She gave birth to your child. Something that can kill her for you. Can you even do that as a sacrifice for a woman? Can you do that as a sacrifice? Something that can take your life. And you have to do that for somebody. Can you do that? Surely risk life where VDM is a toxic man. Only sometimes an old statement resurface and suddenly start making sense to people because of what is happening in the present. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ lọ́jọ́ sí ẹ jẹ́ n kà fún yín. The throwback response from Queen Mother Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to Very Dark Man. Queen Mother said, VDM, NCC, I know they have called you that I have petitioned them. So you have to come out and do your manipulation. She has petitioned NCC. But VDM, you have to come out and do your manipulation. I am a wise woman. I know when to fight. Mo mọ̀ gbà tó yẹ kí n jà. Mo mọ̀ gbà tó yẹ kí n sọ̀rọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbà tó yẹ kí n listen. Ọmọ ọgbọ́n nìyẹn. I know when it's necessary for me to speak. If it wasn't Queen Mother that stood for that girl, ọmọ yẹn ti lè parẹ́. Àìmọye innocent people ní ayé ìdọ́tí para wọn dànù. When bully is too much. Ẹ wo bọ̀bọ̀ kíní UK yẹn tó kú recently. I have not followed the news. Torí pé ó ní autism, ó dẹ̀ lọ Cambridge, ó dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bully ẹ̀ pé kíní. Mo mọ̀ pé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn parẹ́ ẹ̀ ni. Ọkùnrin nìyẹn o. Tábà sọ pé odidi obìnrin tó ń bully lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n bully bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn pé kíní ni kò lọ Cambridge àbí àná ṣe wọ́n sọ wípé ó cheat wọlé ni. Bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn dẹ̀ parẹ́ ẹ̀ sọnù torí bully ṣé mo nǹkan tó ń pè bully? They have been bullying Wunmi for the past 3 years. Bullying her son. Ọkùnrin kò rìn wọ́n bully ẹ̀ in less than a week. Ó fò ṣọlẹ̀ òkú. Only I am not like you, speaking from both sides of the mouth. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni VDM. Òun náà ti sọ pé àwọn Naira Marley kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kán jẹ́ kán gbé Nàìjíríà, kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kán gbé jẹ́ kán gbé rí, ó yẹ kán pa sí street ni. He said it with his mouth. Òun ló ti sọ pé they did not do anything. They did a lot. Not giving somebody oúnjẹ ló gbà lẹ́nu Mohbad. You refuse to pay this boy what belongs to him. Oúnjẹ ló gbà lẹ́nu Mohbad. Show money is as equal as wọ́n ti pa Mohbad nìyẹn. Ṣèbó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn. Ẹ sanwó iṣẹ́ tó ṣe. VDM, you are an oppressor. The boy has worked for them. Why didn't they pay him? Ta ló fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kó má gbowó? Iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ti ní agreement ó yẹ báyìí lẹ́mọ̀ máa san. Wọ́n ṣe kí ló dé tán ṣe kówó lẹ̀. Èèyàn tí ò bá ti lè fún ẹ ní owó ẹ̀, ó ti gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ nìyẹn. Ó ti pa ẹ́ sáyé nìyẹn. These are billions. You said it. Kí ni Naira Marley máa jẹ Mohbad ní billions fún? Think about it like that. Àwọn ọ̀nà ògbé wọn ránṣẹ́. Pé wọn náà ṣe mi ò kì í ṣe èèyàn bíi ti I am not like you. Speaking from both sides of the mouth. I am far different from you and people shouldn't take you seriously. Ó ní mo yàtọ̀ sí ẹ. Ìwọ ò tí live life. O ò ṣiṣẹ́ owó rí. O ò marry rí. O ò fi ọwọ́ ẹ̀ pa owó rí. O ò níran gidi. Look at how you handle the P-Square matter. Wo bó ṣe tẹ́bọ̀ ń bẹ. Nísìnyí báyìí, ìgbà tó ti rí pé people are not checking nípa justice for Mohbad. Tán sọ pé o ní evidence jàre nǹkan tá ti mọ̀ ló tún gbé wá. Ó tún ti lọ rán ọmọ kan China. VDM, you don't cast. Ó tún sáré fi good deed. Ó tún ti lọ sáré rán ọmọ kan ní China pé the visa is out, is going to study. This is nǹkan tó ń pè manipulation. Ó ti rí pé the internet is totally against him. Ó tún ti sáré lọ rán ọmọ kan China. So that wọ́n lè rí pé òun ṣe nǹkan. You will do bad things and you use one good thing. Wípé every nǹkan tí mo ṣe, I'm not a bad person. You are a bad person. Anybody that oppresses a woman, tó dẹ̀ níyà tó mọ nǹkan tí ìyá ẹ̀ go through, you are a bad person. How would you wish what your mother go through? How would you wish that on your wife? Or tó bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ wo ìyàwó ẹ̀, ọmọ ẹ̀ kọ́ tó bá ń ṣe the same thing fọmọ ẹ̀, ọmọ tó bí ńkọ́, ọmọ tó jìyà tó jìṣẹ́ lé lórí. As a man, this cycle did not stop if we don't stop it all together. Tó jìṣẹ́ tó jìyà lé lórí, tó maltreat. Ọkùnrin kan máa sọ pé ẹ ṣe bí I paid your bride price. Orí ẹ̀ burú. Èló ni bride price? Nílé ẹlòmíì gan, coins náà fi ń san bride price. Ṣé bride price ni mo wá jẹ láti kékeré tán ti bí mi títí mo fi dàgbà? I have paid your bride price, kìníkan, you are supposed to ṣe kìníkan. I am not your slave. Tó bá rò pé you have to be controlling women as a slave, you have mental problem. Obìnrin ò kì í ṣe slave. We are human beings just the way you are. Tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ èmi náà make owó. There's nothing special about you. Ń gbọ́ kíní tí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sọ. Ó ní tó bá ní ọkọ, tó bá sick, tí ọkùnrin yẹn ò lè take care, tí ò dẹ̀ lè handle ilé, you do not have a husband, you have a slave master. Mo sọ fún yín ìgbà tí màá kọ́kọ́ bímọ. I did not know that my husband has already paid for 2 nurses. 2 nurses. Mo ṣe ń discharge mi, bí mo ṣe ń délé báyìí. Àwọn ló take care ọmọ, àti oúnjẹ o, àti inú ilé o, àti gbogbo ẹ̀. 2 Chinese nurses. Ṣé mo kọ́ àwọn Chinese yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń ní abá kínní? I didn't know. That is what they call a man. You have to take care of your woman. Àìjẹ́bẹ̀ àdúrà ò ní gbà. Kì í ṣe pé irọ́. Kì í ṣe pé irọ́. Gbogbo àwọn tó sọ pé tó bá ti bímọ ẹ̀mí àfẹ́ bọ́ ṣe bó rò pé pregnancy ilé tó bá ti bímọ ìgbà tí mo bímọ ẹ̀mí mi ò bọ́ because my husband he knows he will be busy, he will be going to work, he knows I cannot handle the house with a newborn baby pẹ̀lú èèyàn tó ṣì wà ní ẹ̀jẹ̀. 2 women 2 nurses lọ́kọ mi sanwó, it's not cheap money. Torí of course tó bá yẹ pé mo mọ̀ pé máa sanwó yẹn ni màá sọ pé wo máa sanwó yẹn bá mi kówó yẹn. He did not even tell me. He paid. Àwọn ló máa gbóúnjẹ wá fún mi. I only see my baby when it's time to nurse. Láti fún lọ́yàn. Yàtọ̀ sí yẹn. They will massage me. They will bake me. Àwọn soup kan wà, Chinese soup kan wà tó máa ń fún mi. Tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo inú mi ó heal. There are some. Àwọn kó corset wá gbogbo nǹkan tó máa wọ̀. Tí ikùn ẹ̀ máa fi flat gbogbo ẹ̀ náà kó wá fún mi. Gbogbo stretch mark ó ní nǹkan tó ń apply sí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán tọ́ yín pé o gbọ́dọ̀ suffer. O ò ní ìdá ti suffer. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́kọ mi. He paid for the full service. They were with me for 3 months. 3 months. Just imagine. My husband will come from work. He will buy flowers, buy this, buy that, buy me gifts. Ẹlòmíì ọkùnrin mi wọ́n máa sọ pé kó ra push gift fún ìyàwó ẹ̀. Máa sọ pé àṣà aláṣà don copy. You are mad. O easy o lọ sọ fún ìyá ẹ̀ pé kó lọ máa kí ẹ pọ̀ sí abẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ kó bímọ fún ẹ. If it easy. My husband said he has never been terrified before in his life until he saw me in the surgical room. Until he saw me in the surgical room. He said he has never been terrified before in his life. And women will do it more than 5 times in a lifetime. And you think it's easy? We make it look easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. If Liam buy today, do you know that all the royalty will automatically become Wunmi? And so fucking what? You won't lọ ṣiṣẹ́ kó provide for family ẹ. To bá gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Mohbad kẹ́ lára bẹ́yẹn, you love bàbá Mohbad so much. VDM ṣe bó olówó go for me kó fún bàbá Mohbad now. Àbí bàbá Mohbad ò bí àwọn ọmọ tó kù ni. Ṣé dandan ni kó gba ti Mohbad? Ọmọ tí bàbá Mohbad bí ó pọ̀ now. Kó lọ bá wọn kí gbogbo wọn fún lówó now. Ṣé Mohbad ti kú nìyẹn. Mohbad did not work because of his father. He worked because of his family. Your nuclear family comes before your extended family. Báwo lẹ ṣe ń gbé fúnra? Mo sọ fún yín tó bá yẹ kó gbowó royalty ẹ̀ ta ló fi máa tọ́jú. Ṣó máa neglect ìyàwó ẹ̀ ó máa lọ máa tọ́jú bàbá ẹ̀ ni. Queen Mother said, I am not like you. I don't speak from both sides of the mouth. I am far different from you, and people shouldn't take you seriously. Lọ́jọ́ tó sọ pé kọ́ lọ máa ra bọ́kẹ́tì wa. Ta ló ní ìdí bọ́kẹ́tì? Ara ẹ̀ ò ti balẹ̀ ń sìn pé àwọn èèyàn ti cast ẹ̀. But you don't have anything. You are just a noise maker on social media. You are manipulative. You are manipulative. You have tried to pull me down, but you can't. Because who God has raised, no one can pull down. VDM, why are you going down? The way you used to do it, kò jẹ́ mọ́ àbí. Ẹ̀kan ní Nigeria máa gọ̀. Nigeria gọ̀, but ẹ̀kan tó bá ti gọ̀ fún ẹ báyìí wọn ò ní gọ̀ fún ẹ mọ́. If you get any evidence, go to court. Ìwé yẹn ti pọ̀ jù kó má lè rí nǹkan kan ní ìwé yẹn mú lọ sí court. What can social media do? No be this video they scream, court is the kini, do not oppress anybody, do not bully anybody. The same video that is crying that Peter Okoye came to social media for validation. What is VDM doing on social media with Mohbad's case? Why can't he go to court? The same VDM that is screaming at Peter Okoye, social media, ló sáwá sí, ó fẹ́ wá ra pity ni, kí ni VDM ń ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo justice for Mohbad náà lórí social media? Kí ló dé tí ò fi lọ sí court? Ibi báyìí lẹ ti máa gbọ́ sẹ́, everybody mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe o. Ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad, VDM doesn't have anything to add. It's just using it to make money for himself. Akati. Only mo sọ fún kini, mo sọ nǹkan kan. Money off your monetization. Ṣé mo bí monetization ṣe work? For each video tó bá fẹ́ post, ìwọ fún ara ẹ ló máa fọwọ́ ara ẹ tán monetization. Tó bá mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ò kì í ṣe for monetization. Off your monetization. Every time you are talking about it. You are mad. Orí yẹ burú láì. Àtiwọ́ àti Solape arìndì yẹn. Àtiwọ́ àti Solape arìndì yẹn. Nobody, you cannot pull her down. Women, we have to stand for ourselves. We have to stand by ourselves. No, but they cannot break us. When you look back and you see somebody standing for you, not a man, a woman, we have to stand by. Men cannot save us. We have to stand by ourselves. We have to stand for ourselves. We have to hold ourselves. This girl must not go down. All they care about, look at the men. We are hardworking. We are shaking. They are the one fighting for royalty. Even Wumi is not even fighting for the royalty. She took her work. Oh my God, to present her ini. To present her show ini. O mushe gbagba. Ẹwà àwọn ọkùnrin. Bàbá Mohbad ò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́. VDM ò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad iná fi make owó. Royalty iná sunkún lé lórí lójoojúmọ́. They are crying because of this royalty every day. Is that not telling you something? Even the woman, she know they cry for royalty. She they do. O de ko de, report to create a career for her. O ti do tete mure, koko. O ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń rán ọmọ ẹ̀ ní school. O ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbálé fún her. O ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún her. Let me read my take on this. Somebody said my take on this. Later. Only whether you support Iyabo Ojo or VDM, one thing is interesting. Hold statements have a way of returning when similar conversations happens again. Iyabo appeared very confident that time that she knew when to speak and when to remain silent. Look at everything happening now. Some people may feel this word are prophetic, while others will say they are always two sides to every story. But here is where it gets interesting. Do you think Iyabo Ojo understood VDM style from the beginning? Has anything that has happened since then changed your opinion about either Iyabo or VDM? VDM, everybody has been side-eyeing VDM like this. He wasn't fighting for justice for Mohbad from the beginning. He was fighting for the royalty of Mohbad. We got it all wrong. This guy was fighting for the monetary of Mohbad. Torí wọ́n àti bàbá Mohbad wọ́n àti sign contract. Wọ́n ní VDM gbogbo àwọn tó wọ́n assist yẹn wọ́n sign contract pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ wípé every month ó lóye tó máa dá padà. Ó máa wá sọ fún wọn pé tó bá dá padà báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ assist ẹlòmí. Gbogbo àwọn I'll give you 1 million, I'll give you kíní kan yẹn. Tí VDM mo bá successfully tó manipulate the public kán kó gbogbo owó Mohbad yẹn kán kó fún bàbá Mohbad ó ní percentage tó máa gbà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ ni? Ẹ̀rọ pé lásán ló ń kígbe ni. Ó ní percentage tó máa gbà ń bẹ́ẹ̀. When someone repeatedly gets involved in different people's controversy, is that activism or simply content creation? There is no single evidence. By now, this is the 3rd year. Case tó gbé ẹ jáde. Ó ti kọ́kọ́ gbé WhatsApp wá. Don't worry, the answer is inside this WhatsApp. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó jáde o. Ó tún gbé bucket wá. Don't worry, tell them bring your bucket. We'll pack evidence from here today. The same thing. Over and over again. How many times do we want to listen to this same thing? And this is the boy that is accusing somebody of using social media to bully, to manipulate. You too, you are using social media. If you get evidence, take it to court. The case is already in court. The better for everybody. But if whatever it is you are telling us on social media, that is what you say you want to take to court, it cannot hold because that's not a proof, that's not an evidence, that is not a witness, that is nothing. This is your own opinion. You got to money. Opinion to create content. to make money off of a dead boy. Baba Mohbad máa rò pé wọ́n help ni, kò help anything. Ó lè gbé, ó lè gbà ni. Ẹni tó gbé po lájà ní ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Mohbad kò kí ń ṣolè. VDM tó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló lè náà. And the biggest question, if Iyabo Ojo decided to respond fully today, do you think it would help her? Or is this silence actually her strongest response? Àwọn tó ti ń respond. Ṣebí una cry when Iyabo wanted to go and turn price pósí tó fẹ́ sin ọmọ yẹn properly. Una say, kí ló kàn, kí ló ṣe? Ó dẹ̀ ṣé kò fi gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ni? Àwọn àti Bukky tó wá, it's just money we need. Let us run our second DNA. Let us money we need sand. Ṣé wọn ò fi ilẹ̀ ni? Where did he lead us to today? VDM that say, I pay somebody to hack the WhatsApp group. The evidences are there. You will be shocked. What do we see today? Even the people who say they want to do it, they are doing it. Why? Brother Yomi went to Trump. Say, President, help us to fight for... Ibo ló lead wa. I have 3 seconds video of the fight. Ibo ló lead wa lẹ́ni. Àwọn tó ti ẹ̀ ń jà. When mother doesn't need to respond, it should be you said you want to do it, all of you. Where does it lead us today? You will know that these people are just creating content. It's just content creation to them. It's nothing but content creation to them. To make money. Ilule. Video cannot work. It needs money. Owó pápápá. Now, everything that Shemo tó bá kọ́ ilé sórí foundation àbí ó lọ kọ́lé sínú rà, ó ṣe German floor, ó feel ẹ̀, ó san feel ẹ̀ first. Ilé yẹn máa ṣe kíni? Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad tí video mo ṣe. He did it since àbí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad òun ló fi ní fame, òun ló fi make owó, òun ló fi dáwó fún. Ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ ò ti ń sink lọ́jọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀? Now they're still screaming, Iyabo ló bá tí wọ́n jẹ́. Iyabo that was silent. And you people were barking like a dog. And at the end of the day, Iyabo that is silent. You want to remove her, she remove herself. Now she still destroy your own nonsense that you were doing. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Ṣé ṣàtìrì. Ṣé rí òpònú ní Solape bó ṣe wà yẹn. She's as confused as VDM. If both Solape and VDM get evidence, go to court. No, they explain for us. It's monetization. Ó kàn pa. Wọ́n ṣáà jẹun. Wọ́n ṣáà jẹun. It's monetization. Ó kàn pa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ yẹn. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí anybody bóbó yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí anybody bóbó yín. Torí owó ni oníkálukú fi ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe. It's not justice for Mohbad. Tí bàbá Mohbad tó bá jáde lẹ́ni, tó owó yẹn bá jáde fún bàbá Mohbad, VDM máa gba 40%. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kò ní ìdí kí n fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Eléyìí tá a sọ yìí, ṣé kò ti yé yín sí? Àwọn mánéjà náírà táwọn mánéjà record label wọ́n fẹ́ jowó yẹn mọ́lẹ̀. Mohbad jà fún owó kóun lè fi tọ́jú ara òun, kóun lè fi tọ́jú ọmọ òun àti ìyàwó òun. Mohbad kú tán, owó yẹn wọ́n ní kó fún bàbá Mohbad. Ẹni tó gbé polájà ò kì í ṣolè, ẹni tó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló lè, because VDM máa gba 40% lọ́wọ́ bàbá Mohbad. Ẹ rò pé lásán ló múra kókó. Rí tó ń scream in billions. In billions. Èló dẹ̀ náà dá fún nínú GoFundMe dẹ̀ rèé, ó dẹ̀ ti wá tọrọ owó GoFundMe, àwọn èèyàn ti kálá wọn ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ̀dá lóhùn, bèbí ti ṣẹ́jú. In billions ló ń kígbe nínú royalty. Tó bá máa fún VDM nínú royalty in billions. Kò lè gba nothing less than 500 million. So owó kíní. Owó GoFundMe kò ti pé padà. Ẹ wọ ẹ̀yin náà ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbálẹ̀. Eléyìí tó kù ó di alẹ́.